What's going on, everybody? Chanel Stevens here. I'm back again with another video, and in this video we're going to be going over CPA versus affiliate marketing. Now, I'm not trying to verse the two together like, you know, one is better than the other or anything like that. What I want to actually do is break down the differences between the two, because a lot of people are new to CPA marketing. They heard of affiliate marketing, but they're like, you know, well, what's CPA? Is it kind of similar? Because it kind of sounds the same, and it is very, very similar. And I'm just going to break down those differences between the two in this actual video, so stay tuned to the end if that's the type of information you're actually looking for. So what I want to first go ahead and do is break down what CPA marketing actually means, because CPA is an acronym, and it basically stands for cost per action or cost per acquisition marketing. So you can use the two interchangeably. They both mean like the same thing. It's basically you get paid for getting a user to generate a specific, you know, desired action from an advertiser. So, you know, that desired action could be something as getting somebody to fill out a simple form, or entering their email address, or make a phone call, you know, generating phone calls, generating app downloads, things like that is basically what CPA marketing is, and also generating sales. But with affiliate marketing, you might as well call it cost per sale marketing. It's basically where you're specifically generating a sale. Affiliate marketing is essentially cost per sale. You can just call it that. And cost per action is basically how I break it down. You know, you just get paid for, you know, a specific action. So if somebody enters in their email address, you can get paid for that. So to me, CPA marketing is way easier. And how I made my first $100,000 online, and it's for a simple reason. It's because you can get paid generating an email address. You know, just getting somebody to enter in their email address on a specific form, and then you can get paid. So we're here on Max Bounty. Let me just give you an example. So let's just do something like let's do like an email offer. So let's say I see one here, email only. So something like this, $2.50 a lead. Email only, $9 per lead. So it's all these different email type of things. You can also do something called a single opt-in. These offers are really, really simple, and just get people to basically just enter in their email address, something like that. So you can see like with this offer, let's see if we could preview the landing page. Yeah, so you just get somebody to enter in their name and their email address, and you simply get paid. And this network, Max Bounty, is a really good affiliate network, and it has tons and tons of these offers, and tons and tons of networks have tons of these type of offers. Also, like you see one says single opt-in, but you also see a DOI, which stands for double opt-in. So that's an acronym for that. And basically double opt-in basically means confirmation. So not when somebody enters in their email, say on that page, once they go back to their actual email and confirm that email, confirm that they signed up, then you generate the conversion. But you can see when it's the single opt-in, you can actually get paid. Well, it says a 2-page submit here, so you will want to find one that actually converts when a user enters in their actual email. So you would just find an offer, lead converts on an easy first page submit. So you can see an offer like this. It looks like more like a form, and those offers are good as well. You know, these offers are simpler than just getting somebody to pull out their credit card and buy something. You know, it's easier to convert, because you're just getting them to maybe enter in their email, enter in their phone number, instead of actually having to enter in their credit card number or something like that. So it's just an easier point of conversion. Instead of focusing on selling, you can actually focus on just generating some curiosity. You know, you still want to send good quality traffic and offers that traffic to the offer that actually back out and actually convert for, you know, not just be a lead, but turn into a purchase later down in the funnel. But what you want to do is, if you are a CPA marketer, you can just focus on those front end conversions, you know, such as leads, phone calls, things like that, and not actually the purchase. And to me, that's just simpler. Also, if you have a good offer, good advertiser, you can get people to complete this simple process where they're filling out a form, or just entering their emails, or just downloading the app, or doing something simple like that, and you're actually getting paid for that. So you can literally like change your life just doing mastering this type of marketing. So this is what I teach. This is, this is how I make my fortune. So, I actually run these offers with paid traffic, and that makes it even more powerful. I don't focus on free traffic. And with affiliate marketing, I would say that also, if you're gonna focus on affiliate marketing, I would say just jump into paid advertising right off the bat. Don't even, because it can take a long time trying to get free traffic, and you're trying to generate sales. You might not be this big name out there and have 50,000 followers or 100,000 followers, and you're just famous and you can just say a product or just talk about something, and people are just gonna want to sign up. So I basically force my offers to go viral. I force attention to my offers. That's what makes it powerful, and that's how I'm able to scale up and live the lifestyle that I actually live off of this business. And I teach more of it, on this channel, how exactly I do it. I started a private group, Mogul Academy. In that group, I give out tips and everything like that. Also, I made Mogul Academy. It's a 50+ video course on how to master CPA marketing. So CPA marketing is really, really powerful, and that's why I really teach it. And affiliate marketing, I'm not saying CPA is better than affiliate marketing. I'm not saying that. They're one and the same. One focuses on, other desired actions, whereas affiliate marketing focuses on just the sale. So, if you're a beginner out there, it's good to start with CPA, because most of these offers you can convert really simply because it's just getting an email. So you can get these cheap clicks to these actual offers. So you can get clicks for 15 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents, wherever it's Microsoft ads, or wherever it's Facebook ads, or whatever you want to get traffic. You can send this traffic to these actual offers, these email only offers, single opt-in offer, double opt-in. You can, just pick these simple offers out where, just getting somebody to enter their information instead of having to generate the whole sale. And you'll be surprised on the type of magic you can create with those type of campaigns. And you don't need a website or anything. You can use simple ClickFunnels landers and things like that, and that's what I actually use also. So don't limit yourself to just one form of affiliate stuff. If you're a beginner out there, these offers are perfect for you. And don't sleep on affiliate marketing. I'm not saying affiliate marketing is not good. I'm not saying that. Still run cost per sale offers. All I'm saying is just remember there are other types. Clearly, you can get pay-per-call, app downloads, things like that. All I say is when you're doing these offers, learn how to use it with paid traffic, because that's really the key, and that's like the secret sauce to really making a ton of money with these type of offers. All right, guys, so that's the breakdown on CPA marketing versus affiliate marketing. That's all I got for this video. If you enjoyed this video, like up. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. and be dropping more videos on CPA, affiliate marketing, things like that. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace.